Every year, as the dark sky of October or November glows with a million tiny flames, a billion hearts across India come alive with joy, hope, and celebration. This is Diwali, the festival of lights. But behind the glittering lamps and bursting fireworks, lies a story of victory over darkness, good over evil, and truth over illusion. Thousands of years ago, in the sacred land of Ayodhya, there lived a prince named Rama, the very embodiment of virtue and honor. His life took a tragic turn when he was exiled from his kingdom for 14 long years, accompanied only by his devoted wife Sita and loyal brother Lakshmana. Far away, across the ocean, ruled a powerful king Ravana, the 10-headed demon lord of Lanka. In a twist of fate, Ravana kidnapped Sita, leading to one of the greatest battles in Indian mythology. With the help of the mighty Hanuman and an army of monkeys, Lord Rama waged a war to bring Sita back. After a fierce battle, Rama defeated Ravana, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness, righteousness over sin. When Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years, the people welcomed him home by lighting rows of clay lamps, Deepa, and that's how Deepavali, or Diwali, was born. Each lamp was a symbol of joy, faith, and the eternal victory of good. Today, centuries later, Diwali is celebrated not just in India, but across the world, in London, New York, Dubai, and beyond. People clean their homes, exchange gifts, share sweets, and light diyas to invite Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. But beyond the rituals and celebrations, Diwali reminds us of one timeless truth: that even the smallest light can drive away the deepest darkness. It's not just a festival. It's a message to keep your inner light alive.